ozone in the stratosphere is formed with the help of? So let's talk about ozone. Ozone is O3. Okay, let's see about its formation. How is it formed? So suppose if this is your Earth, in the stratosphere, which is the layer present in the atmosphere, there lies the ozone. Okay. Now what happens here is when the oxygen gets UV rays, because there will be the sun, which will, from the sun we will be getting the lights, along with that we will be getting UV rays. Okay. So this UV rays is so powerful, it has so much energy that it breaks the diatomic oxygen into its oxygen radical, or you can say elemental oxygen. Okay, this is just, you just have to put a dot, and I have drawn the entire circle. Let's remove it. So here it's just a dot. Okay, that means radical oxygen or monatomic. But these monatomic elemental oxygen are very, very unstable. They need to form a relationship with any other thing, right? So that they can become stable. So what do? These oxygen forms the bond with the radical, or you can say the radical forms the bond with the O2, that is the diatomic molecule of oxygen, and forms O3, and this O3 is known as ozone. Now, a very interesting part is that when this ozone is formed, it inhibits the trespassing of UV rays. That means that because of UV, the ozone is formed. That's where we get the oxygen radical, but then it will not let the UV rays to enter into the earth. It will not let it to enter to the earth, so that it can prevent us from harmful effects such as skin cancer, cataract, many other things, right? So ozone in the stratosphere is formed with the help of UV radiation, and hence it's the correct answer.